In recent times, one term that pops up in almost every form of media we consume is AI, artificial intelligence. So, we might wonder who is ahead in the race to harness the full power of this amazing technology, which is capable of changing how our society works. One company that may come to the minds of all of us is Google, search engine giant and pioneer of AI tech. However, the answer is not that simple, and you would be surprised to know that Google is actually struggling to keep up with its main competition, Microsoft. Welcome to Spark Vision TV, and in this video, we will talk about how Google might actually lose this ongoing AI war. Before we begin, let's take a look at each company's revenue. In 2022, Google has made $279.8 billion. Majority of Google's revenue comes from advertising, which accounted for 80.20% of its total revenue. Google Cloud segment generated 9.3% of the company's total revenues. The remaining 10.3% of the revenue came from other sources. If we break up Google total advertising revenue, around $162 billion comes from Google search only. This shows that Google is heavily dependent on its advertising business, and especially on its flagship search business, and has little flexibility when it comes to doing experiments. However, for Microsoft, it is a totally different story. Microsoft has an outstanding business model which is diversified in many different business verticals. In 2022, Microsoft's total revenue stood at $198.30 billion. As we can see, Microsoft's total revenue comes from various sources such as cloud, software, search, gaming, etc. Microsoft is truly a tech behemoth, which is known for killing competition, and we will see exactly why Google is extremely worried about Microsoft's recent AI advancements. Google has been investing heavily in AI since 2014. One of the biggest AI acquisitions that Google made in 2014 was Nest Labs, a smart home device maker, for $3.2 billion. Another significant and most important AI acquisition that Google made in 2014 was DeepMind, a leading AI research lab based in London, for $500 million. To support its machine learning efforts, Google also created its own custom chips for AI called Tensor Processing Units, or TPUs, that are specifically designed for machine learning. Not only that, Google's investment arm, Google Ventures, has also been making consistent investment in AI startups and has acquired more than 50 AI companies since 2006. Google has been a pioneer in AI research and has a maximum number of AI research papers on a wide range of topics such as computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, reinforcement learning, generative models, and more. In April 2023, Google invested $300 million in Anthropic, an artificial intelligence startup founded in January 2021 by the team behind AI breakthroughs such as GPT-3 and reinforcement learning from human feedback. As we can see, Google has been strategically planning and investing in AI since 2014, but it inevitably faced competition from its biggest rival in the AI race, Microsoft. In 2019, Microsoft announced an investment of $1 billion in OpenAI. Until date, Microsoft has invested around $11 billion in OpenAI. Through this partnership with OpenAI, Microsoft has leveraged OpenAI's models and technology to enhance its own products and services, such as Bing, GitHub, Azure, and Microsoft 365. In addition to investing in OpenAI, Microsoft has also acquired several AI companies, such as Softomotive, CyberX, and Nuance. In Nov 2022, OpenAI launched its revolutionary chatbot called ChatGPT. ChatGPT has become one of the most popular and influential AI products, gaining its first 1 million users in just 5 days of its launch and reached 100 million monthly active users in just 2 months. This is faster than any other social media platform, such as TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. It was such a big event that Google had to declare this situation code red and had to rethink its strategy and vision for AI. It is interesting to note that 2 years ago, Google's engineers came up with similar chatbot. However, Google's top executives were not convinced that it was worth their while, and idea was never made public. A mistake that may cost Google heavily. Up to the point of launch of ChatGPT, Google has been very cautious about experimenting with its flagship search business because majority of its revenue is coming from it. However, unlike Google, Microsoft's business is very diversified and not dependent on search alone. Microsoft was fast to grab this opportunity and integrated ChatGPT into Bing Search and launched a standalone Copilot app which can use the power of ChatGPT 4. As can be seen, Google's market share peaked at 89.28% in 2015 and declined to 83.49% in 2023. On the other hand, Bing's market share reached 4.27% in 2015 and increased to 9.19% in 2023. This is a serious threat to Google because, with integration of ChatGPT with Bing, Bing can offer conversational search features and can generate natural and coherent text on various topics and tasks. In response to this, Google launched its own chatbot called Bard in Feb 2023. However, it was hurried, and during its launch, Bard showed inaccurate information and failed to do tasks which it was supposed to do. This launch was so bad that Google's parent Alphabet lost more than $100 billion, or 8% in market cap. However, all hope was not lost for Google. In DEX 2023, Google launched Gemini, which was dubbed as ChatGPT Killer. Gemini comes in 3 modes: Gemini Nano, Pro, and Ultra. Gemini Nano is designed to work on smartphones and other smart devices and can work even without the internet. It is designed to do tasks such as summarizing texts, smart replies, grammar check, etc. Gemini Pro can handle more heavy tasks such as content creation, code generation. It can also handle multimodal prompts. Lastly, Gemini Ultra is Google's most powerful AI. It can take on highly advanced tasks such as strategic planning and scientific discoveries. Launch of Gemini was a high success for Google. So much so that the Alphabet's shares rose by 5% the next day. As per reports, upcoming Gemini Ultra is the first model to beat humans on the massive multitask language understanding (MMLU) benchmark, scoring 90%, outperforming ChatGPT-4's score of 86.4%. The test includes 57 subjects like social sciences, STEM, and humanities. Another edge Gemini has over its rival ChatGPT is that it has multimodal capabilities. It means that it is built to have native support for images, audio, video, and code, while ChatGPT can support only text-based prompts. Being multimodal, Gemini has better contextuality than ChatGPT. Gemini is also more efficient, cost-effective, and fast compared to ChatGPT. However, this does not mean that ChatGPT is lagging behind Gemini. As per some estimates, ChatGPT-4 has 100 trillion parameters, which dwarfs any other language model till date. ChatGPT-5, which is expected to launch in 2025, will also have advanced multimodal capabilities. As we can see, Google is trying everything in its power to end the dominance of ChatGPT in the AI space. It will be interesting to see who will come up on top of this ongoing AI war. At the moment, Microsoft is clearly placed in a better position compared to Google. If Microsoft ends up winning this AI war, it will kill monopoly in the search market. However, Google also has a very strong foundation in AI capabilities. Yes, it is indeed a little behind in catching up, and Microsoft has first mover advantage in integrating AI in its products. Google is nowhere near defeat, and this war has just started. It will be interesting to see what will unfold in the coming years. Let us know, who do you think will come up on top? Will it be Google or Microsoft? Thanks for watching. Spark Vision TV signing off.